welcome back everyone to another developer update. I am Jeff from the Your Days Are Numbered team. I'm excited to announce that we are finally releasing the game for beta players.
In Your Days Are Numbered, you are a space cabbage merchant who is on your way to the next planet to sell your cabbages. Unfortunately, the ship's navigation is damaged, forcing you to have to manually set the ship's heading to reach the next destination. Every round, you get a set of cards to help you adjust your heading. If you need other cards, pass your turn. But be warned, more and more of your cabbage shipment will rot the longer you take. But hey, as long as you still have cards, you can still escape alive, right?
The cards feature the basic Python operators: addition, subtraction, division, multiplication.
Not forgetting power and modulo, two other Python favorites.
This game is meant to teach beginners how these operators work. Every round, you play cards to reach the next planet. After reaching the next planet, you can buy cards with the remaining cargo to add cards to your deck.
In our latest patch before beta, we've introduced a number of quality of life improvements. We've added a concede button for when you can't think of a way to hit the number. Also, no longer will you be able to misclick on cards once you've hit your target. And as a reminder, you don't lose when your cargo runs out, only when there are no more cards left in your deck. So feel free to take all the turns you need to survive. The upgrades don't stop at just the game either. The shop will not only tell you what cards you have available in your deck, but will also automatically disable cards that you can't afford. Not all of the patches in this update are serious. We've also sneaked in some random planets and death messages to liven up your voyage through space, including a few little Easter eggs. Try to find them all. Well, with that, good luck, Captain. Just team out.